In Australia, officials have declared a state of natural disaster across northern New South Wales after flash floods inundated several towns and at least 2 people died. The state's cotton crop has been particularly badly affected, with one growers' association estimating losses of up to $50 million. At one stage, around 18,000 hectares of cotton were underwater. 300 millimetres of rain fell in a week around Wagga Wagga, and the town of Glen Innes broke a 130-year-old record for the most rain to fall on a single day at this time of year.